No dipstick transmission fluid check. How to check and change the automatic transmission level of this car Nissan Almera. Please watch the full video. Warm greetings and congratulations from the YouTube channel. How to drain the automatic transmission fluid. First oil sump drain vault will have to open later. Number 2 transmission oil drain tube pin needs to be removed. Now I will unscrew the transmission oil sump drain bolt and take it out. Now I am using a 10mm size Allen key. Transmission oil drain tube pin, I will take it out. To change the transmission fluid, you must transmission oil drain tube pin, you have to open it and drain it. Otherwise, the entire transmission fluid will not drain out. Notice this is a long plug. It is also used to prevent overfill by allowing the excess fluid to spill out when filling. Now I will reinstall the transmission oil drain tube pin. When installing the transmission oil drain tube pin, do not over-tighten it. I put the transmission oil drain tube pin on medium tight. After installing the transmission oil drain tube pin, insert the transmission fluid into the gearbox. Install the oil sump drain bolt screw by hand like this. Now I will install automatic transmission fluid. This model of Nissan Almera's automatic transmission must use ATF Matic S fluid. Nissan Almera, if you just change the transmission fluid of this car, you will need 2.8 to 3 litres of transmission fluid. After adding automatic transmission fluid, start the car engine. After starting the car engine, I will get inside the car. To check the transmission fluid level, change every 5 seconds the gear shift from PR and D and from D to N. I will leave the gear shift in the N position and get out of the car. To check the transmission fluid level, level the front and rear tires of the vehicle. Now I will place the car on a parallel surface and check the transmission fluid level. Now I will unscrew the drain bolt of the oil sump and take it out. If the transmission fluid overflows after opening the drain bolt screw, then it means that the transmission fluid level is correct. And if the transmission fluid does not overflow, then it means that the transmission fluid level is low. The transmission fluid level in this car is correct. I will tighten the drain bolt screw so that the transmission fluid does not leak. If you have any trouble understanding anything while watching the video, please let me know by commenting.